Here, I have something for you.
What's that po?
This is a dessert.
But black.
It's black sesame seed.
Oh, natatatot naman.
Hindi naman. Tignan mo ha. I'll open it for you. Here, this is a black sesame pudding. Look. Take a look.
Pala dinudonan.
Dinuguan. Dessert yan. Binili ko. Oo, yeah, dessert.
Kung ano-ano na lang. Try to ng tonti.
Okay. This is not dinuguan. Oh. Anong lasa?
Hindi good po.
Hindi good. Masarap naman. Dessert to ng mga Chinese.
Chinese. But we're not Chinese. I look like Chinese. But I'm not Chinese.
Ano ka?
Pinoy ato. Canada, Canada, na to.